scientists have discovered many exoplanets. Exoplanets, or extraterrestrial planets, is a planet that supports life of human, animals, plants and other extraterrestrial life forms out of our solar system, and other systems or any interstellar space. Present day 4,200 exoplanets have been discovered by scientists by using different methods like transit method. In this method, a transit is a phenomenon when the celestial body passes directly between the large, or also called the parent star, just like Sun. And the observer. 2 method is gravitational microlens, and is an astronomical phenomenon due to the gravitational lens effect. It can be used to detect objects that range from the mass of a planet to the mass of a star, regardless of the light they emit, etc. Out of those 4,200 exoplanets discovered, only 24 are superhabitable. The term superhabitable is coined by the scientists and researcher Renee Heller and John Armstrong. Out of those 24 superhabitable exoplanets, only 16 are expected to support life because the inhabitable zone, or some scientists also call it the Goldilocks zone. In this zone, water is expected to be on the planet, and oxygen also, because these two are the major factors that a planet should have to support life. Up till now, no telescope has been launched into space that can detect oxygen molecules other than Earth on another planet. The Kepler telescope that ran out of fuel in 2018 in September discovered many exoplanets by transit method, but there were no technology on that telescope that can detect water and oxygen levels on those exoplanets. But don't worry, because on October 31st, 2021, on the Halloween day, NASA is launching James Webb Telescope in space. This telescope is equipped with the latest and most advanced cutting-edge object, and a new feature is also included in this telescope, which can detect oxygen on any exoplanets, air moons, or any star in space in the range of 16 light years. The missions of the James Webb Telescope are to find a second Earth, to see a being made, and studying the formation or past of our Earth and solar system, and the last but not the least, to study the Sun and its interior and finding more exoplanets, just like Kepler. Scientists have discovered many exoplanets in our Milky Way galaxy, and many more are still yet to be discovered. So now let's dive deep into space and let's know more about the second Earth, where we will evolve and our next generation will be evolving in the future. Proxima Centauri, or Alpha Centauri, is the closest star system and closest planetary system to Earth. Solar system at 4.37 light years from the Sun. It is a triple star system consisting of 3 star-like Sun. Centauri A, Centauri B, and the last Centauri C, also called Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is a dwarf planet in the constellation of Centaurus. Proxima Centauri is the future Sun, which has used up all the fuel, and it is its final stages, because scientifically a normal life form like fungi and plants take 3.4 million years to evolve, and advanced civilization like humans take 4.5 million years to evolve, and stars like our Sun have 10 million years of lifespan. Proxima Centauri has 2 stars, Proxima A and B. In 2016, the European Southern Observatory announced the discovery of Proxima B, a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri at a distance of roughly 7.5 million kilometers, 4.7 million miles, with an orbital period of approximately 11.2 Earth days. Its estimated mass is at least 1.3 times that of the Earth. The equilibrium temperature of Proxima B is estimated to be within the range of where water can exist as liquid on its surface, thus placing it within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri. But a 2017 study suggests that the exoplanet does not have an Earth-like atmosphere. That may indicate that radiation from its star would drain an Earth-like atmosphere 10,000 times faster than on Earth. Although, because Proxima Centauri is a dwarf and a flare star, whether it could support life is disputed. Previous searches for orbiting companions had ruled out the presence of brown dwarfs and supermassive planets. Don't worry, because there are other star systems also which can support life, like K2-18, also known as EPOC 201,912,552b, is an exoplanet orbiting the red dwarf K2-18, located 124 light-years away from Earth. The planet, initially discovered with the Kepler Space Telescope, is about 8 times the mass of Earth, and is thus classified as a super-Earth. K2-18b lies in the constellation of Leo, and it is discovered that it has water vapor in its atmosphere, which lies in the habitable zone and is tidally locked to its parent star, which means one side is facing towards its sun and other towards the dark space. Its orbital period is 33 days. It takes 33 days to take one orbit of its parent star. Star system, or the most preferred star system to support life, is Kepler 1649c, which is discovered in mid-2020. The exoplanet was identified as rocky planet by NASA and is very similar to Earth in terms of size, with a radius 1.06 times that of Earth. Kepler 1649c takes only 19.5 Earth days to orbit its host star Kepler 1649. An M-type red dwarf. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star system. It receives fully 75% of the light from its host star that Earth receives from the Sun. Therefore, depending on the atmosphere, its surface temperature may be similar enough to the temperature of the Earth that liquid water may be present. There are other star systems also, like Galileo's 667cc, TRAPPIST star system, and Kepler 186f. But why can't we go there? It's because we don't have any technology that can let us travel that far in space till this day. There are numerous possibilities that scientists are testing, like nuclear fusion drive, laser travel, and warp drive, that is science fiction. Warp in and out in, that means creating a space bubble in time and space by contracting the space at front and expanding the space at the back. By this method we can travel 10 times faster than the speed of light. In 2069, NASA is planning an interstellar mission to our nearest star system, Proxima Centauri. With it all about future, and the scientists are working day and night to peer into the unknown and checking the possibilities of life evolving on Earth 2.0. If you enjoyed this video of our space mysteries and possibility of finding our second home just like Earth, you can support me by subscribing to my channel, and also if you want to know more about space or space missions, then just comment me below.